And you previously testified multiple times under oath that the first year of your relationship with Mr. Depp was the best of times, right, Ms. Heard?
That is correct.
You testified that as far as you could tell, Mr. Depp was sober that first year.
The Johnny Depp and Amber Heard defamation trial attracted record-breaking numbers of viewers who closely followed the heated exchanges between the two celebrities on YouTube and social media. After the verdict was read, both parties filed for an appeal. First Amber, then Depp followed. Each side listed their reasons for an appeal. But it now appears Depp is more right if there is something like that. And it means Amber will likely pay Depp the $2 million the judge initially awarded her. So, what is it that Depp said in his appeal assignment that has left Amber in more trouble? Let's find out. In his assignment of error appeal, Pirates of the Caribbean star Johnny Depp argues that his former lawyer Adam Waldman was an independent contractor and not an employee agent, and therefore he should not be punished for the sins of Waldman. If you remember, the Virginia jury handed Depp a sweeping victory and his ex-wife a minor one. Amber successfully persuaded the jury to find Depp liable for one claim of defamation. But it was over something the actor's lawyer said rather than Depp himself, and that doesn't make sense considering the Oscar nominee didn't have Waldman as his employee. Waldman, who represented the Pirates of the Caribbean actor amid Amber's abuse allegations in 2016, called her claims a hoax orchestrated with the help of her friends. Depp's attorneys tried to get Amber's countersuit against him tossed several times on those grounds, arguing that Depp shouldn't be the one defending Waldman's statements.
All right, are we ready for the jury?
Nonetheless, Judge Penny Asgarrett, who oversaw the case in Fairfax County, Virginia, said a reasonable jury might agree with Amber's lawyer's argument that Waldman acted as an agent for Depp when he made those claims and that Depp could be found liable for them. To that effect, the jury decided on $2 million in compensatory damages for Depp to give Amber Heard. But they also chose to award the Justice League star $0 in punitive damages, indicating they didn't believe Depp should be punished for Waldman's statements. If Depp wins his appeal, which he is likely to, his ex-wife will have to cough $2 million more, adding to the almost $10 million she already owes Depp.
Today, what is her next move?
She's right. Well, her next move is appeal. There were
But she's heartbroken.
She is heartbroken.
On her part, Amber's attorneys recently filed a court document outlining several grounds on which she intends to appeal the $10.35 million defamation judgment issued against her earlier this year. The 4-page filing, stylized as appellant's designation of assignments of error, is a special pleading required under Old Dominion appellate rules and was submitted to the Court of Appeals of Virginia. While some media outlets have referred to the terse document as an appellate brief, a proper brief will presumably be filed later on. Amber's filing contains 16 grounds for appeal, beginning with a claim that the trial court should have dismissed the case because it belonged in a more appropriate place than Northern Virginia. The filing also says the trial erred in not foreclosing Depp's claims after he lost a similar libel lawsuit in the United Kingdom. Additionally, the filing says the UK ruling should have been allowed into evidence. It is a pretty weak comeback compared to Depp's, and therefore legal experts predict that Depp has more chances of winning compared to his ex-wife. So, does that mean Depp will be getting more money? Let's wait and see. And that's it from us today. Until next time, bye.